Have you been searching for the perfect with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2024 Nissan Frontier Pro 4X in Boulder Gray. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, over fender flares, tow package, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 7,000 miles on the odometer, 9-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 3.8-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 90700A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.